Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople.
All right, guys. So I know this is on everybody's minds right now.
For sure.
How to take advantage of a downward market.
Yeah, guys, first things first. For anyone starting on real estate, this is a good time for you. If you want a house hack, this is a good time for you. If you're looking to burr, maybe not so much. But guys, anything listed in the market 30 days or more, maybe a couple months ago, these agents, if you're coming under asking, if you're not coming above asking, they're not wasting their time with you. Times are changing. So this is now turning into a buyer's market. So guys, call all these agents that haven't sold these properties, because the property is probably not going to sell for more. It's only going to sell for the same or less. So this is your time to take advantage and reach out to all these people. Trust me, they're going to speak to you.
Agents know, sellers know, interest rates are rising, the market is changing. So just keep an eye on anything long-term on the market. If it's a day, the agent's going to probably be like, oh, I have a shot, but give it a month. You know, that's usually our KPI of when a property might not be selling. So you can kind of just take it from there. And that kind of goes right into the next thing, which is the ability or power to negotiate. So now that interest rates are rising and that more people are scared to buy properties, and a lot of people now are realizing that they're not going to get top dollar for their home like 3 or 6 months ago, or just not as high, that gives us the ability to negotiate with sellers. And now that's where we start using our skills of mirroring, labeling, all of these things to build rapport, and then really try to find out what the seller actually needs to then move forward. It's not about getting the most for your house, it's what the seller needs. And when you are in a downward market, you have a way better opportunity to negotiate these deals.
Yeah, 100%, guys. Take advantage of all these tools that we're teaching you. This is the time, starting now, to start using them. The next thing up is now you guys want to start building relationships with people who have access to foreclosures, right? People who are tax delinquent, people who, who owe money to whatever institutions. This is the time. So now foreclosures are going to start seeing more of them, right? It normally takes about 3 years where we are in New Jersey, I think almost federally. So most places on average takes about 3 years for a foreclosure to happen. The pandemic started about 3 years ago, so you're going to start seeing more and more of these guys. So it's unfortunate what happened, and these people are losing their house, but someone has to buy them. Why not you?
It's the time to run your numbers conservatively, but be aggressive on making offers, because this is the time you'll find gems that, maybe 3 months ago you couldn't even put an offer in.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
last thing, I think everybody already knows this, but hammer your follow-ups. The people that wanted 500,000 6 months ago that maybe just wanted an offer, maybe they have more hidden motivation now, or a lot of those people who are getting letters from the bank saying that they're not in forbearance anymore. All those people that weren't worried about selling, keep following up with these leads, because the motivation is just going to keep rising, because mortgages, people have to pay those back. You're not going to get top dollar, so you can't just get saved by being retail. So this is where off-market buyers like ourselves come in and come up with a customized plan to help the person. And it's more about what you can do for them besides the money. So just make sure you're hammering your follow-ups and you're staying on top of every single lead you have.
Yeah, guys. And if you want to learn more about just doing follow-ups and the best ways to do it, just click this video right here.
Boom.